Dynamic, powerful, and agile are words often used to describe quad bikes. But what if we tell you they could be much more? In today's video, we've rounded up the most insane and jaw-dropping machines that will completely change the way you see quad bikes. From amphibious quads to quads that can fly, we've got to show you all that and more. So subscribe while you're at it, and let's roll! Engler Desat. Dubbed as the world's first super quad, the Engler Desat is an impressive and powerful machine, inspired by the Audi R8. Powered by a beastly V10 engine, the quad bike produces a claimed 1,100 horsepower, which, by the way, surpasses even the Bugatti Veyron. This quad bike boasts an impressive 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time of just 2.5 seconds and a top speed of 217 miles per hour. The design and engineering of the super quad are aimed at delivering extreme cornering experiences, but the lack of a tilting mechanism for the wheels could make it a pretty solid workout for your arms. Also, its extreme performance and handling characteristics raise questions about practicality, safety, and legal road use. That being said, as there is no information about the production plans or future development, this one-of-a-kind, audacious creation remains limited to track usage only. Qooder. Speaking of arm workouts, the Qooder, with its tilting system and versatile engine, should be much easier to steer than the Desat. Brainchild of master designer Lucio Marabese, who was also involved in the making of the Piaggio MP3 and Yamaha Tesseract. This quad bike is manufactured by the Swiss company Quadro. It features a dual hydraulic tilting system with 4 tilting wheels, each equipped with independent hydraulic suspensions and brakes, and is powered by a 400cc single-cylinder engine with 2 camshafts, a balancer, and a differential to distribute propulsion to the 2 rear wheels. With its torquey engine and a rigid reinforced frame for added durability, the vehicle is suitable for various road conditions and ensures maximum safety and agility. It also offers 3 storage spaces, with one under the passenger seat, capable of holding a full-face helmet, and 2 others located on the apron, equipped with 12-volt sockets for recharging electronic devices. The vehicle is priced at around £10,500. Quanta R. Moving on, we have Project Quanta R from Iron Custom Motors, an exciting and innovative concept that combines the best of both worlds. The thrill of traveling like a motorcycle with the safety and security of a car. Built on a spatial aluminum tubular frame, this bat pod-like quad bike is powered by a modified 2.5-liter 600 horsepower Subaru engine. With a weight of around 750 kilograms, the Quanta R features impressive dynamics, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, and boasting a top speed of 125 miles per hour. There's even custom Bilstein suspension for enhanced handling and maneuverability, and Vossen R22 wheels and motorcycle-style controls and optics for that incredible Batman feel. What do you guys think? Drop a comment down below. Quadski. Ever heard of amphibious quad bikes? Well, now you do, because the Gibbs Quadski is exactly that. A quad that also doubles as a personal watercraft. Developed and manufactured by Gibbs Sports Amphibians, it boasts a 4-stroke engine, derived from BMW Motorrad's 1.3-liter engine, delivering 140 brake horsepower on land and approximately 80 brake horsepower on water. The Quadski's unique wheel retraction system enables it to transition effortlessly between land and water, facilitated by its proprietary marine jet propulsion system. When on water, it can reach speeds of up to 72 kilometers an hour, thanks to a stone guard protected intake that draws in water and powers its engine-driven impeller. With over 2 hours of water travel time and a land range of up to 600 kilometers, this quad bike offers an unparalleled blend of versatility, power, and excitement for adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts. By the way, only around 1,000 units were produced between 2012 and 2016, with a $40,000 to $50,000 price tag. Lazaeth LMV. Taking over the skies, the Lazaeth Moto Volante is a groundbreaking multi-mode vehicle developed by Ludovic Lazaeth, a French custom auto/moto maker known for his unique and unconventional creations. The LMV combines elements of a quad bike and a quadcopter, allowing it to be ridden on the road and flown in the air. In road mode, the Moto Volante is driven by electric motors powering the two rear wheels, while the front wheels provide steering and braking capabilities. The vehicle's flying capability is easily activated with the press of a button, transitioning from ride mode to fly mode, with JetCat jet turbines installed in each wheel hub, generating the necessary thrust for lift. Lazaeth has even successfully conducted hover tests with the Moto Volante, lifting it to a height of 1 meter using tethers. Now, whether or not it can fly without these is still up in the air, because only 5 of these were ever made, and that too with a heavy price tag of $575,000. Envo eQuad. Coming back to the ground, the Envo eQuad is an all-electric quad bike designed for quiet and efficient travel across rugged terrain. Manufactured by Envo Drive Systems, a Canadian electric mobility company, the eQuad targets conservation workers, soldiers, and search and rescue workers. It weighs 160 kilograms and is powered by two 1,500-watt rear hub motors, offering a total power of 3,000 watts, with a top speed of 50 kilometers an hour. Its 60-volt lithium battery provides a range of 50 to 70 kilometers per charge, and it also features regenerative braking for that little bit of extra range. The vehicle can be driven in a standing or seated position, with foldable handlebars and a removable seat. Plus, with a payload capacity of 200 kilograms and the ability to tow up to 350 kilograms, hauling extra luggage shouldn't be a problem at all. It boasts double wishbone suspension, hydraulic disc brakes, and 200 millimeters of ground clearance for off-road capability. And you can buy this quad for around $9,500 US. And last but not least, taking the excitement to the most treacherous and muddy terrains out there is the 2023 Can-Am Renegade 1000R, a high-performance 4x4 quad bike available in 2 trims, the XXC and the XMR. Both trims are powered by a 976cc Rotax V-twin engine, producing 91 horsepower, with a CVT transmission offering high and low-range sub-transmissions. The XXC model is designed for wooded trails and desert terrains, featuring sport-focused tires, tri-mode dynamic power steering, and adjustable Fox Podium 1.5 shocks. XMR trim, on the other hand, is tailored for muddy conditions, equipped with snorkeled airbox, Visco 4-lock fully lockable front differential, and 30-inch mud tires. Both trims come with intelligent engine braking, LED headlights, and digital displays with riding modes. The Renegade excels in power, handling, and suspension, making it an excellent choice for 4x4 Pro ATV racers and sport enthusiasts. Now that you've made it to the end of this video, drop a like so that we can change the way people think about quad bikes. Also, don't forget to subscribe and turn on bell notifications, because we've got more exciting videos coming for you in the future.